Hello everybody, my name is Pasha, studying in Jaihind Spirit Commerce. I'm very excited for tomorrow's event, which is a marathon organized by Life is Calling. It is a 5 kilometer fun walk which I'm achieving within 15 minutes, aiming to achieve within 15 minutes. And I also believe that there will be delicious breakfast provided in the event, and I'm hoping to dance a little bit in the Zumba.
From second PC Commerce. So marathon is commencing tomorrow. We all are excited, and it is commencing at Nice Road, Kasakere Halli, at Nayan Halli. So it is very much useful to maintain fitness and health. Everyone are participating, even to lecturers and our secretary JP sir. So all are excited.
Everyone, myself Amulya from second QC Commerce. So marathon is conducted tomorrow on December 14, 2025. We all are excited to participate. All students and lecturers and our JP sir is also participating.
Hello everyone, I am Alisha from second PUC Commerce and I am a student of Jaihind College. As we all know that tomorrow is a 5-kilometer marathon which is conducted on 14 December, Sunday, and we all are excited and we all are participating. We are excited to participate. We can run or walk and we will have fun. There will be a good weather, and also all teachers and our secretary JP sir are also participating in the marathon. We are also interested. I am Shalin Krishna. I am from second QC Commerce. As in our college, we have conducted a marathon that is on December 14, 2025, and we all are excited for